Welcome to my backyard. Oh, that key is definitely struggling. Hi, I'm Brooke from All Things Thrifty, and today we are talking about 3-in-1 Lock Dry Lube. It is a very inexpensive product that can totally help you in your home. This gate is getting old. It's exposed to the elements out here, lots of dirt, dust, precipitation. As you can see, when I go to shut the gate, it legit struggles. This key is starting to stick and it has a hard time going back in also. So today I'm going to use this 3-in-1 Lock Dry Lube to get it all working properly. The 3-in-1 Lock Dry Lube will definitely help remove the corrosion that's inside that keyhole. The best part about this product is the price. Now I'm going to do the opposite side. Oh my gosh, it's working so much better now. Okay, and now the key will go in and out. Oh, that is awesome. So much better. I'm just gonna do a little bit along that mechanism. The difference is incredible. That worked amazing. You wanna know a secret? It also helps with squeaky hinges too. No longer squeaky. I hope you learned something on how to keep your locks working properly. And don't forget, one can is about $4. That's it.